We are thyssenkrupp Dynamic Components. Since 1994, we have been the benchmark for the automotive industry. And today, we remain a world market leader for highly complex drive technologies. A global player with a pioneering spirit to challenge familiar paths again and again. thyssenkrupp Dynamic Components stands for not just a supplier, but a specialist for high-precision dynamic components. Not just a manufacturing company, but a world-class development partner. Not just ambition, but passion. Values that have accompanied us since our first assembled camshaft. These values inspire us to reduce emissions in the combustion and hybrid engines of almost every leading car, truck, and motorcycle manufacturer. Nevertheless, we go one step further. Focusing on the market and keeping an ear to the ground, we are perfecting the heart of every electric motor since 2013, the rotor shaft. As an innovation driver and pioneer for electric drives worldwide. With plants in Europe, China, in the US, Mexico, and South America, focusing on the intelligent and sustainable mobility of tomorrow. This can be experienced in virtually every vehicle in the world today and in the future. More efficiency, less emission. This is still our strongest drive.